The 1980s brought us the computer age and also ushered in the power strip. Most people had a desktop computer, a monitor, and maybe a printer, but add to those external drives, scanners, wireless routers, and other peripheral devices, and those two standard outlets most of us had were simply overwhelmed. Now we have laptops, tablets, smartphones, and wireless Bluetooth devices, all connected to a power strip. Today, power strips often incorporate USB ports and surge protection. We tested a broad range to determine which are the best. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best power strip and surge protector 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Glucon brand. This surge protector tower was designed as a vertical power tower for charging multiple devices with little space. And the power cord is retractable. You can lengthen and shorten the power cord by rotating the base of the power tower. Save much space and clean various cords in your working area comparing to a traditional power strip. This power strip extension cord tower is built-in surge protection. The charger tower will automatically cut the power off to protect your electronic devices when the voltage surge is detected. This outlet tower is made of fireproof ABS and PC material, with overload protection, surge protection, overcurrent protection and on-off power switch on each layers for safe guarantee. This multi-plug tower was combined 10 AC outlets for computer, laptop, tablets, fans, etc. and 4 USB ports for charging multiple devices like cell phones, iPhone, iPad, AirPods, iWatch, tablet, PC, laptop, PS4, PS5 at the same time to meet your power demand. A must-have electric devices for desk, home, office, dorm, room, kitchen, hotel, gaming, school. Due to different need of different area, the USB power strip surge protector is designed to support 110V 250V, and the max power can reach 3000 W. And we upgraded the USB ports of this power strip tower to support 5V/3.1A total, 3.1A/port max, and the Smart IC can adjust the current intelligently to give your device the best charging plan. In a word, faster speed but less time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the OneBeat brand. This durable power cord offers 8 widely AC outlets with 3-side non-blocking design. It fits larger power adapter without blocking others. 3 USB ports intelligently detect and charge the devices at the ideal output. Power everything on your desk with a single compact surge-protected extension cord, like computer, laptop, phone, camera, and more. The electric strip has a 900 joule energy rating, providing a reliable power extension cord to protect your devices and appliances, TV, printers, computer. It secures your electronic devices from overload, short circuit, power spikes, lightning strikes, or fluctuations. The durable cord is 10 feet/3 meters long with a 3-prong angle plug convenient for tight spaces. This extension cord is UL approved with right angle plug is perfect for the hard-to-reach outlets behind your bed or sofa. Large power rating of 1875 W is compatible with many high-power devices. Braided power cord is more flexible to use. This surge protector is ETL listed and conforms to UL STD. With braided extension cord, integrated copper wiring, and flame retardant casing combined to create an imminently safe power source. The on-OFF switch can automatically shut off to keep your device safe. This flat surge protector can also protect it against overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, short-circuiting. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the AdTam brand. This surge protector with 5 widely outlets and 3 USB charging ports can power up 8 electrical devices simultaneously. Widely spaced outlets are separated enough to fit big adapters without blocking each other is ideal for computer, TV, and other household electrical devices. This surge protector with 3 USB charging ports provide 3.1A/15.5W in total. Built-in smart charging technology that detects and deliver an ideal input current of up to 5V/2.4A. With 3 complementary surge protection circuits, TVS, MOV, GDT, can absorb capacity of 900 joules. It's more quickly and reliably than the traditional surge protector circuit, can protect your TV, computer from voltage fluctuations, surges and spikes. Intelligent circuitry with built-in voltage sensing detects current power. When the rated power is exceeded, the switch will automatically shut off to keep your device safe. 1382 degrees Fahrenheit fire resistance PC shell. High-quality components also can prevent your devices from overcurrent/overcharge/overheated. The 6 feet long extension cord is made of 14 AWG pure copper, which is very thick and has better current carrying capacity. The braided power cord is not easy to deform, durable and more safety than other power cord. Number 2 in our top is from the Henikani brand. The 3-side power strip with 8 AC widely outlets and 4 USB charging ports can power up to 12 devices simultaneously. With built-in smart IC technology, the USB port can auto-detect and deliver appropriate current to your devices, each port up to 5V/2.4A max 3-side design that makes it easier to make the plugs not covering any outlet, and the 8 AC outlets with 2.2 inches widely SPCED in between outlets, larger than standard socket, fit big adapters without blocking each other. The compact design saves more space, suitable for the home, office, and college dorm room. The surge protector with overload protection protects your electrical appliances from lighting, surges or spikes. The minimum energy absorbing capacity of 900 joules. Lighted on off switch with integrated circuit breaker for overload protection of all outlets. The low profile flat plug fits easily in tight spaces, and the right angle flat plug design prevents bottom plug blocking. The 4.5 feet upgraded power cord is very thick and has better current carrying capacity. The 2 mounting holes on back allows this power strip to be securely installed in various applications. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Mephaso brand. This slim power strip features 6 AC outlets, 2 smart USB charging ports, 900 joule surge protection. Auto-adjust charging rate for phones, pads, laptops, digital cameras, computers, TV, and more electronic devices. Surge protector with overload protection protects against spikes and fluctuations. The minimum energy absorbing capacity of 900 joules. Lighted on off switch with an integrated circuit breaker for overload protection of all outlets. 5 feet pure copper braided extension cord. The braided design makes it tangle-free, improves flexibility, conductivity, durability, and reduces heat buildup. Fire resistance PC shell. The fireproof shell can withstand temperatures up to 750 degrees Celsius. 45-degree flat plug allows furniture to be pushed against the wall. Designed with 4 keyhole mounting slots on the base, allowing you to mount your power strip to the wall or desk to create a stable place to power up all of your devices. Which power strip and surge protector would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.